Hey everyone, if you are having trouble deleting your Snapchat account on a Samsung device due to the 72-hour error, we have got a solution for you. Now, open your browser on your Samsung device and go to the Snapchat account portal by visiting accounts.snapchat.com. Log in using your Snapchat credentials. Now, once logged in, scroll down and click the Delete My Account option. Snapchat will prompt you to enter your password again to confirm. Now, after you submit the request, Snapchat will place your account in the activation mode for 30 days. The 72-hour error occurs when you try to access the account during this period. Now, wait for the 72 hours before trying to access the account again. If the error persists, try clearing your browser cache, switching to a different browser, or accessing the portal from another device. And that is how to fix the 72 hours Snapchat error on Samsung. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.